The Peasant Who Became a King, a folktale about the poor but intelligent peasant who, through his cleverness and good judgment, rises to become king. This story emphasizes that wisdom and virtue rather than birthright are what make a person fit to rule. This story explores themes of power, corruption, and the challenges of leadership. The story follows a peasant who ascends power but encounters ethical dilemmas and corruption. It suggests that true leadership should focus on community rather than seeking of power. The Story of the Peasant Who Became King by Susan Hollis is a classic tale that demonstrates sexual dominance, jealousy, deceit, and revenge. There are two men named Anpu, the eldest, and he has a wife and house. Bata is the youngest, and he lives with Anpu. The story starts the conflict when Anpu's wife tries to seduce Bata and he destroys her brother. And after 3 years, Anpu and Bata are reunited again. The Peasant Who Became King highlights the destructive effects of jealousy and the power of forgiveness as the brothers ultimately reunite despite the challenges they face.